Yeah, that is the eating line. Let's go. I see Crystal, I think, right? No, never mind. I just assumed blue dress.
All of the numbers, but the last 3 numbers is the winner numbers, okay?
I think, no, that's not one.
That's what that looks like. I know we're looking at the same person. I see Reggie, they're all sitting down. Oh, they're all sitting down. It's on. Hey,
That was it's getting bigger every year. You came last year too? We've been every year. How many years?
So, this is oh, hey!
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good?
Good. How many years has this been?
2.5 probably, something like that?
2.5. It's been more than that. About 4 years. Oh, you mean since I saw you, Bradley?
Yeah.
How long have they had this?
Oh, hey.
4 years? 5 years?
This is number 5, I think, right? Number 5, Easter
Bradley,
party in the park.
He's volunteer of the year.
Number 5.
This is number 5.
Who?
5 years in a row.
Oh, me?
Isn't it? Well, you weren't even here in the beginning.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah,
No,
yeah.
is this
Hey, Uncle Brad.
Is this fit that in?
Hey, man.
Here, did you hear me screaming?
How you doing? Pretty good? Alright, let's go find people. Locate.